Guys, hope you're doing well today. I'm really excited to bring you this video because I'm doing something I haven't done on my channel before, and this is going to be palette bingo. And I believe palette bingo was started by EmilyNoel83 and Kristin Gehm, and pretty much you go through an eyeshadow palette and use a random number generator or just use a random way of selecting your colors in the eyeshadow palette, and you have to use those colors in an eye look and hopefully create a cohesive eye look. And today I am doing a palette bingo with my friend Lisa I. Chic Geek Makeup and Chups here on YouTube. I've been friends with Lisa for a while, and she introduced me to Chups and Chic Geek Makeup's channels, and I'm really excited to be working with them. I've talked about Lisa so many times on my channel. She's one of my really good friends in real life and on YouTube, and she does tons of different videos including Project Pans, Get Ready With Me, Shop My Stashes, Favorites, and much more. Chic Geek Makeup does some Project Pans as well. I saw she recently did a video on her top eyeshadow palettes, and she does tons of different videos as well. And Chups or Nadja, she also does a nice variety on her channel, and she does Makeup Mondays. I'm excited to get into Chic Geek Makeup and Chups channels more because I am newer to their channels, but I'm really excited to be working with them. I will leave their info down below, including their Instagrams and their YouTube channels. But anyway, we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I've talked about this palette a bunch of times on my channel, and I did actually do a review on it, so I'll link it up in the cards. But this is a very colorful palette. So here what the colors look like. It does have some neutral colors in here, but most of the colors are pretty colorful. And there's a variety of matte, shimmer, and satin colors in this palette, so there's definitely a nice variety here. I'm a little bit nervous to see what kind of colors I get through the random.org generator. Also, this isn't the makeup that I did for my palette bingo. I'm going to be doing that shortly. This was just the makeup I wore to work today, and I did like the eye look a lot, so I just decided to wear it in the intro. There's 20 eyeshadows in this palette, so I'm going to be doing 1 through 5, 6 through 10, 11 through 15, and then 16 through 20. So I'm going to be doing that on the random.org generator. So I've just pulled that up on my phone. I feel like I'm so rusty with filming. I feel like I'm like tripping over my words a little bit, so sorry about that. But I'm going to be putting in 1 through 20 into my random generator. So let's see what the first number comes up. So the first number that comes up is 11. It is the shade Swag right here, which is this matte purple shade. Here's what Swag looks like swatched. I'm going to use the random generator again. This color is 18, so let's get into the palette. And 18 in the palette is going to be Neon, which is this lime green shade, so I'm going for a Barney look today, I guess. And that is what Neon looks like swatched out, so it is a shimmer finish. And because I'm so rusty with filming, I forgot to say how many colors we're picking. I'm pretty sure we're picking 4 of them. I'm going to generate the third number. That shade is number 5, so with that we got a matte warm brown shade, and this is in the shade Escape. And that is what Escape looks like, so okay, I think we can do something with this look, we'll see. And now I'm going to generate the 4th color here. And that is the shade 2, which is the shade Candy right here, which is a corally color. So this is Candy right here. It is like an orangey corally color, but that is my color combo that I have for this eye look. My memory card actually filled up at the perfect time because it gave me some time to think about what I wanted to do with this color combo right here, and I think I have it down. I might decide what I'm going to do with the purple later on because I have 2 ideas for it, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put this green shade on my lid. I'm going to throw this peachy corally shade in my crease to use as a transition. This matte darker mid-tone brown is going to go on my outer corner. And then this purple is either going to go as my like shadow winged eyeliner or as a pop on the lower lash line. And I am going to be adding an inner corner highlight just because I need to have that. And I think I'll be using either Trixie, which is this more golden shade right here, or this one with a blue duochrome in Spirit. So anyway, I'm going to get this makeup on my face that I currently have on and start with primed eyes, and we'll get right into it. Alright, I took the rest of my makeup off, but then I just primed my eyes and set my eyelids with a matte cream shade, and then I also put my hair back because I'm sweating. And if you're new to my channel, I actually like to put a base down before I put down my actual eyeshadow, so I'm just going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk. It's just a white cream eyeshadow. So the white base is on my eyes. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be using the shade Neon, which is the shimmery green shade. I'm going to use that on my lid. And I'm just going to pack this on with a stiff shader brush. And I think I'm going to go for most of my lid and leave that outer corner green is so fun. I really like that shade. So now we're gonna go into the shade Candy right here, which is this peachy coral shade. And I'm gonna be going in with this e.l.f. like pinched fluffy brush, I guess that's what it is. And I'm gonna put this into my crease. And I also stamp it on my outer corner as well. I did not realize it was going to be this bright. Oops. Not the best blending I've ever done, but I will fix that later. Now we're going to move on to Escape, and I'm going to put this on my outer corner with, I actually really need to get rid of this brush. Look at that. It's like not even at all, but it's the only outer corner brush that I have currently. So I'm going to pick this up on the brush, and I'm going to stamp this onto the outer corner. And honestly, it could have been my crease or transition shade because it's not that deep. I'm going to intensify the green a little bit on my lid because I feel like we lost a little bit of that color when we applied the other colors. That's better. I love this green. I still like one of my Tarte palette better because that's more of like an olive green and this is more of a lime green, but I have been loving green eyeshadow this year. I don't know what happened or what came over me, but green is one of my favorite colors to wear on my eyes as of lately. I just highlighted my brow bone off camera with just a matte cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna go off camera and add some liner and mascara and I think my foundation and most of my base products, and I'll be right back and we'll do the lower lash line eventually. Alright, I'm back. I did my brows, foundation, contour, winged eyeliner, and mascara off camera. That was a mouthful. And I wanted to do my more colorful products on camera with you guys. So for blush today, I'm going to be using my Princess Daiquiris blush from Wet n Wild. It's a really pretty peachy color. It's very light, so I'll have to build the crap out of it, but I actually panned one of these a few months ago and I repurchased it. So that's how you know you like a product if you go through it and repurchase it. But I'm just going to tap my brush into this. I thought a peachy blush would be pretty with this because it was more like peachy tones in the crease. Honestly, I didn't add too much color, but I'm going to add Spirit as a highlight. I'm a little bit nervous about this because this does have a blue tone to it. If you're curious, here's what a swatch of it looks like. I just thought it would look really cool in the cheeks and I've never tried it as a highlight. It is an eyeshadow, but I like to use eyeshadows as highlights sometimes, so we'll see how this goes. If not, I'll mix it with something else. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but this blue shift is beautiful. I'm actually really happy with how the highlight looks. I put it on my nose. I'm not the biggest fan of how it looks there, but on the cheeks it looks really pretty. So the face is done, and now I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line. So I'm gonna be going into that purple in Swag, which was the fourth and last color in this palette bingo. I'm gonna be adding that Spirit shade on my inner corner, but that doesn't count for this palette bingo, but I wanted to add an inner corner highlight. So, oh my god, this is gonna be so pigmented. Yep. So I'm just dragging that on my lower lash line, and I'm going to go all the way with this one. You know what? I'm not hating this look. So finally I'm going to be adding Spirit on the inner corner, which was that blue duochrome shade that I used as my face highlight. So the eyes are all done. I really like how this looks. It's not my favorite look that I've ever done with this palette, but it is really pretty. So finally I'm gonna add my lip color, and this is going to be the Milani Amore matte lip color, and this is in the shade Adorable. This is a matte liquid lipstick. Haven't used one of these in a while. So here's the final look all put together. So guys, that was my palette bingo. I'm so happy that I finally did this. I've been putting this video on my list of videos to film for months and I just haven't gotten around to it, but I'm really happy I was able to do it as a collab with Lisa Chic Geek Makeup, or her name is Iwana, I'm pretty sure is how you pronounce it. I'm so sorry if I butchered your name. And then Chups or Nadja. I'm really excited to see everyone's looks, and let me know what you would have done with the colors that I had gotten randomly from the palette bingo challenge. I would love to know what color combinations that you would come up with the colors that I had gotten dealt. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out everyone in this collab, and I'll also leave down a video for EmilyNoel's and Kristin Gehm's palette bingo in the description box below. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these on my channel because this was a lot of fun and I did enjoy filming it. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later.